Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to fix camera failed on Samsung phone. So, before you try the methods below, be sure to check if your device's software and related apps are updated to the latest version. To update your mobile device's software, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Software Update. Tap on Download and Install, then follow the on-screen instructions. To update camera, open Camera. Go to the Settings option, gear icon in the upper left corner. Select About Camera. If there is an update, update it. If the camera failed warning still appears on your screen, then resetting the camera app. To do this, open the camera app. Go to the Settings option, gear icon in the upper left corner. On the camera settings page, select the Reset Settings option. Tap on Reset and restart the app. If the camera failed warning still appears on your screen even after you reset the camera app, try force restarting your device to resolve the issue. To do this, turn off your device by holding down the volume down key and side key. Now selecting Power Off. Once the screen goes black, press and hold the volume down key and side key. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release both fingers from the keys. In case the issue remains unsolved after you try the steps above, it's time you tried the next method. In this method, we will boot your phone to safe mode and see if the issue is recreated there. Using safe mode disables all downloaded apps and loads only the original settings that came with your phone, allowing you to determine if the issue is caused by an app. On devices with a regular power key, press and hold the power key until the power menu is displayed. Touch and hold Power Off until the Safe Mode icon is displayed. Tap Safe Mode to start your device in safe mode. If you've entered safe mode successfully, you'll see safe mode displayed at the bottom of the screen. Open the camera app and see if the camera failed error still occurs. If the issue is gone in safe mode, then one of your recently downloaded apps was likely the cause of the problem. Proceed to uninstall the apps. After uninstalling the app, restart the phone or tablet and check if it is functioning normally. If the issue still exists, then downloaded apps may not be the cause of the problem. You may need to reset the phone to the factory setting. To do this, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Tap on Reset. Tap on Factory Data Reset. Then tap Reset to confirm. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset. You may need to enter your Samsung account password or lock screen password. The phone will reboot. If the above steps did not resolve the issue, please visit your nearest Samsung authorized service center so they can assist you further with your concern. You may also book an appointment before visiting the service center. That's it, guys. Hope this is useful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.